Why crypto falls during war? When will Bitcoin rise again? Imagine waking up one morning and seeing the entire crypto market in red. Bitcoin is falling. Ethereum is falling. Almost every cryptocurrency is crashing. Many people think this is just market manipulation, but the real reason is much bigger. When global political tensions rise, especially between powerful countries like Iran and United States, it creates massive pressure on the global economy, and that pressure directly affects the crypto market. Today we will understand why wars push the crypto market down, why an oil crisis has a huge impact, why crypto mining slows down, and most importantly, when Bitcoin might rise again. Part 1. Investors become fearful during war. Whenever a major geopolitical conflict begins, investors usually try to reduce risk. Crypto is still considered a risky investment by many large investors. So when war tensions rise, big investors often move their money out of crypto. Instead, they shift their money into safer assets such as gold, government bonds, the US dollar, cash reserves. That's why during global crises, even the largest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, comes under pressure. We saw a similar situation during the Russia-Ukraine war. During that time, the global stock market, energy market, and crypto market all became extremely unstable. Part 2. Oil crisis shakes the global economy. During times of war, energy supply often becomes a powerful economic weapon, especially oil. If a major oil-producing country like Iran reduces its oil supply, it can create a global oil shortage. The Middle East region controls a large portion of the world's energy supply. When oil prices rise, shipping costs increase. Transportation becomes more expensive. Food prices go up. Manufacturing costs rise. As a result, global inflation increases rapidly. When inflation rises, central banks increase interest rates. And when interest rates rise, investors usually move away from risky assets. This causes the crypto market to drop further. Part 3. Energy crisis impacts crypto mining. Crypto mining is extremely dependent on energy, especially for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is mined using powerful mining rigs that consume a huge amount of electricity. When oil prices increase, electricity costs also rise. This makes mining much more expensive. As a result, many mining companies may reduce their mining operations, shut down mining rigs, pause new mining investments. When mining activity slows down, network activity and investor confidence can also decline. This can push crypto prices even lower. Part 4. Global market chain reaction. War doesn't just affect the crypto market, it creates a chain reaction across the entire financial system. For example, stock markets start falling, large companies lose valuation. Technology companies that hold crypto, such as Tesla or MicroStrategy, can also feel financial pressure. When large institutions begin reducing risk, the crypto market becomes even more volatile. Part 5. What history shows us. If we look at the history of the crypto market, one thing becomes very clear. After almost every major crash, the market eventually recovers. For example, the 2018 crypto crash, the 2020 pandemic panic during the COVID-19 pandemic. During that period, global markets experienced massive fear and uncertainty. But after that crash, Bitcoin eventually reached new all-time highs. Part 6. When will Bitcoin rise again? Now comes the most important question. When will Bitcoin rise again? Historically, the crypto market tends to recover when 1. Global conflicts begin to ease. 2. Oil prices stabilize. 3. Inflation starts to decline. 4. Investor confidence returns. 5. Institutional investment increases again. When these factors come together, the crypto market often becomes bullish again. Final message. The crypto market never moves in a straight line. It is connected to the global economy, politics, and the energy market. War, oil crises, and inflation are all creating pressure on the market right now. But history has shown us something important. Every major crisis eventually comes to an end. And when stability returns, Bitcoin often comes back even stronger than before.